This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Wednesday, February 24th. The U.S. Postal Service plans to have a new mail van on American roads by 2023. A new contract will see Oshkosh Defense manufacture between 50,000 and 165,000 next-generation delivery vehicles for the agency over the next 10 years. The vehicle will come in both combustion and electric powertrain variants. According to the Postal Service, the latter will be able to accommodate new EV technologies as they become available. They'll also include features like 360-degree cameras, front and rear collision avoidance, and traction control, in addition to creature comforts like heating and air conditioning and more carrying capacity for packages. The Postal Service's current fleet is made up of approximately 230,000 vehicles, with about 190,000 dedicated solely to transporting mail and parcels to people. Some of those vans and trucks, such as the iconic Grumman Long Life Vehicle LLV, have been in service for decades. The U.S. Postal Service maintains approximately 140,000 LLVs across the U.S. The majority of those vans include GM's infamous four-cylinder Iron Duke engine, and on a given day, its fuel economy plunges to the single digits. In recent years, they've also started to catch fire without getting into any accidents. In other words, the Postal Service is long overdue for an upgrade. In gaming news, with a pandemic that has created intense demand for high-end webcams, Razer is adding a new product to its lineup of streaming peripherals. The Kiyo Pro is a 2.1 megapixel camera that can capture 1080p footage at up to 60 frames per second or up to 30 frames per second if you enable an optional HDR mode. With the company's Synapse software, you adjust the field of view between 103, 90, and 80 degrees to capture more or less of the background. It also comes with an included privacy cover and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Missing from the Kiyo Pro is the one feature that made the original Kiyo stand out, a built-in ring light. However, Razer says the Pro model's larger 2.8 of an inch IMX327 sensor from Sony is better equipped to deal with less than ideal lighting. At $200, the Kiyo Pro is also $100 more expensive than its predecessor. That's a steep price to pay for a device that's missing features like 4K video capture and Windows Hello support. But as is usually the case with Razer products, you're paying a premium for the company's design sensibilities. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.